You guys asked and I'm answering. Is Twitter still worth it? Let's spill the tea. Let's start with the facts. It's 2019 and Twitter just fell to 321 million monthly active users. For comparison, Instagram stories just rose to over 500 million monthly active users. Either way you look at it, those are some pretty big numbers. Fact, Instagram and Facebook are visual platforms where images and videos thrive. Twitter, on the other hand, is more of a dialogue-based platform where conversations thrive. Fact, every platform has its own advantages and disadvantages. Let's talk about what that means for you and your business. In regards to every social media platform you're on, every choice you make should lead you back in to your actual real-life business goals. So I'll list a few benefits of Twitter and you decide whether those feed into your business goals. Twitter offers a great opportunity for customer service. People often go to Twitter to complain, and we hear a lot about that in the news. But what that means on your end is you have the opportunity to hear those issues and offer solutions for them immediately, in real time. Everything on Twitter is in real time and very fast. So if you work in an industry where you need to get messaging out there super quickly, Twitter is the place for that. Content on Twitter is highly shareable. It's very easy to retweet and share, even easier than it is to share a post on Instagram. So you have the opportunity, if you're creating valuable content, for it to go viral more easily than I'd say on any other platform. People on Twitter share their honest opinions and they want to talk about them. So if you have someone on staff that's ready to manage your Twitter and hear those honest opinions and respond to them, you're going to create incredible brand loyalty. And that's something that's pretty unique to Twitter. At the end of the day, should you be on Twitter? I don't know. I can't answer that for you. There's no one answer. But if you think Twitter will help get you closer to your actual business goals, then by all means, jump on. Listen, contrary to popular belief, you don't need to be on every single social media platform. In fact, it's best to stick to the ones where you know your consumers are and you know you can excel on. Let me know in the comments below what you did and follow me on Twitter. Bye. Let's talk about Pinterest. No, just kidding. That's enough for today. Good luck.